Hi guys, this is Peace Adeze. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to cook rice and beans, black eyed beans and rice. So stay tuned and watch how I cook this. So let's get started. For the ingredients, you need beans, rice, salt. The salt is optional. How you measure this depends on you. You can do more of rice or more of beans. That is, you can do 60-40 or 70-30 or 50-50, same quantity of rice and beans. I prefer more of rice and less beans. You can actually cook a pot of rice and a pot of beans. Yes, it's still rice and beans. In this video, I'm going to cook the rice and beans in the same pot. I soaked the beans for about 6 hours, 6 to 8 hours. So the first thing I do is to rinse the beans. After rinsing the beans, put the beans in a pot and pour some water. Then cook for about 30 minutes. About 30 minutes, bring it down and drain. I do this in order to reduce or avoid bloating. Rinse the beans. After rinsing the beans, put in a pot and pour some water. Then start cooking. While the beans is cooking, wash the rice and set aside. This is the washed rice, so you set it aside. Let's check the beans. The beans has cooked for about 30 minutes more, so I'm going to drain it again. Add the rice to the beans and mix it with your spatula. At this point, I'm going to drain and rinse the rice and beans. This is the rice and beans after rinsing. Look at that, it's clean and ready to be cooked. some salt. The salt is optional. If you don't want to add salt, you can cook it without salt. And cook till the water dries up. The rice and beans is ready. You can have this with beef stew, chicken stew, fish stew, pepper soup, chicken pepper soup, fish pepper soup, assorted meat pepper soup. The list goes on and on and on. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share. Feel free to ask me questions in the comment section and I'll answer your questions. Remember to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.